Hi there, this is a Metanoia Minute. I'm Max. Yesterday on one of the Neville groups in Facebook, somebody asked a great question. How do I persist in a desired state? If I would have been honest, I would have answered, dude, your guess is as good as mine. I struggle with that too. And I didn't want to bring up all those people out of the woodwork saying, why are you struggling? It's a war. All the different parrot things that everybody says in these groups. So I just kind of let it go. And after letting it go, this morning in my Facebook feed, this quote appeared from one of Neville's radio lectures. Now is the time to control our imagination and attention. By control, I do not mean restraint by willpower, but rather cultivation through love and compassion. I'd say that pretty much answers the question, don't you? I'm going to give it a try and see how it works. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching.